It's getting to be the end of the year and it's time to clean out the garden. And as gardeners, a lot of times we want to throw everything in the compost pile so we can get all of that good, rich compost. But there are certain things that we need to throw in the trash and not in the compost pile. These pepper plants are healthy, so we are going to take them and throw them in the compost pile for next year. Over here, we have sweet potato vines that are still left, and they are healthy, so we're going to throw them in the compost pile. We have our okra actually blew over a few weeks ago in a strong wind. It looked good. It didn't have any problems this year. We're going to put it into the compost pile as well. Now, our tomatoes, we're in the Mid-South, and in the Mid-South, we have blight problems with tomatoes. And this tomato here, you can see we got blight here. There was blight during the summer, so that we're going to throw into the trash. So you got to consider trash or compost. If it's healthy, compost pile. If it's not healthy, diseased, has bad insect problems, things like that, just throw it in the trash.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.